Hey guys, Abner's Reviews here, back with another unboxing, and today we have received our package from Hobby Stock, as you can see here. So this will be our Funko Pop haul for the day. Let's start with one. Let's start with the one on the left right here. Okay, I think you know who this one is. Let's open this one. So there goes our Funko Pop hauls for today. Wow. So there you go guys. These are our main characters for today. These are Guns N' Roses figures. This one is Slash. And this one is Axl Rose. The Axl Rose one still has plastic films in there. That's why it's still a little bit hazy. Slash comes through with no plastic film, so it's more clear, right? So let's try and peel off these some of the plastic from the Axl Rose figure. I'll share with you some peeling action right here. There you go. So as you can see here, you can now see them both clear, right there. So those look good, right? On the back. So there's Duff McKagan. So that's the one we're missing. That one. And we're going to find it. Believe me. It's really cool. All these Funko Pop figures, which are bought from Hobby Stock, they include these free protectors with their branding on it. So there you go, Hobby Stock. So that's good on them since they're giving it for free, which adds more protection to our collections. So thank you, Hobby Stock. I will link their shop below in our video description, so we'll go check them out. All right.
Perfect.
So there are our figures out of their boxes, so we can check them out further.
Perfect.
So let's start with Mr. Axl Rose, number 50, right there on the box. Let's start with him. So here is our Axl Rose Funko Pop figure, rocking his sunglasses right here. And the bandana right there, or scarf. He got his usual mic stand right there. This is part of Axl Rose's arsenal, and she's wearing the number 22 football jersey, and of course the famous skirt that he wears. And look at the detail on those belts around his waist. That's really good. Default boots right here. That's good. Serial number, the bottom right there. The blonde hair. Standard for Axl Rose. That really looks great.
Perfect.
So on to Mr. Slash. Of course, figure comes with the iconic hat right here. So that is the iconic Slash hat. He's also wearing some eyewear right there with some cigar right there, cigarette in his mouth. That's great detail right there. And of course, Slash is carrying his signature guitar. Right there. Great details, guys. On the neck of the guitar, really nice details. And the jeans, the worn out and partly destroyed jeans on the knees right there. And the default black and white sneakers for Mr. Slash. And we got our serial number there. On the back, the signature black curly hair. Of course, Slash is wearing a black sandal style shirt. I think we can take a glimpse of a tattoo right there. And yeah, that's it. Overall, it's wow. The details on this figure, it's really great. Both of them actually. So
perfect.
So in terms of measurement, Mr. Axl Rose is almost 9 cm right there. When it comes to Mr. Slash, because of the hat, might be a tad bit taller. And yes, he is. So he comes at 11.5 cm right there. So in terms of weight, we will be using our digital scale right here. So let's start with Axl Rose first. And he weighs 75.1 grams, or just 75 grams. For Slash, wow, he's way heavier. It's 103.3 grams or 103 grams. So there you go, guys, with our Funko Pop haul for today. So these are the Guns N' Roses Funko Pop figures. Mr. Axl Rose number 50 and Slash number 51. So we will be looking for Mr. Duff McKagan soon. Again, thanks to Hobby Stop. I will link their shop down below in our video description. These items reach me without a scratch, without any damages.
Perfect.
Thank you for the free protector. And these are very beautiful figures. I have been meaning to get these for a while. So there you go, guys. I hope you have liked our content for today. If you liked our video today, please do not forget to like and comment on our video below. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to Abner's Reviews for more contents like this one. Please click the notification bell so you'll get notified when we upload another video. Please also follow us on our social media links right here. So that's been it. This is Abner's Reviews. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.